Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to access free stock photos on Hostinger. So first of all, you need to go ahead to the website and select your plan. And if you want to buy subscription plan, please go to the link in the description box to buy a new subscription plan with the discount. So what you're going to do, go ahead to the official website. And if you use Hostinger website builder and you want to add images to your website, open the builder and expand to add elements panel on the left sidebar and select add images, and then drag and drop it to the preferred section of your site. Alright, and then click on the element to see more options like edit, generate, change, crop, and position, and then duplicate, hide, show, delete, resize, etc. Right, and then next, to add your own image, click on the change image icon, edit image, and then replace image, and select a file from your media library, and browse free images in or upload on your own. Right, and click edit image to see more options like replace image, reset image, proportions, and corner, radius, and choose what happens when your website visitor clicks on the image, and shape and animation, of course. So basically that's it. That's my on the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to click generate image to get free image from Hostinger. See you in the next one.